That is create animated series. A simple example, say for example, animated series we all would have enjoyed watching it and this moving on or still it is running, I think. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Suriyas Academy. If you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the applications of computers part 2. Already we had discussed about the first 5 important applications in the part 1 video. You can now check this in the I button. Okay, now moving on to the topic. The first topic is, that is the sixth point, is application of computers in the mathematics. Mathematics means we all remember that it consists of full of formulas and equations. So with the help of computer, a visual rendering of mathematical formula can be done. Consider a simple example, a plus b the whole square, which gives a square plus b square plus 2ab. For remembering this or for making it consistently remember with a particular student, the computers uses the visual rendering processes, and then the statistical calculations can be done with the help of the computers so that it can be helpful or easily remembered by each student. And the tools used here are the Brainly app, in which the student can ask a doubt and the app will clear that particular doubt, that is the mathematical equations or whatever for regarding mathematics. And then next comes the math lab, that is which includes scientific calculator, graphic calculator, and then the matrix calculator. These are all the tools which are used or applied for the application of computers in the mathematics. And then the next topic we are going to discuss about is the application of computers in the arts. Arts means which consists of many different areas. Just consider the applications in the dance and photography, so and many areas which comes under the arts. The tools used here are, that is just a line, that is it is a drawing tool which can be used for drawing any particular images or objects, and then using the computers we can also digitalize our photos using the computers as JPEG images. And then next one, Google Arts and Culture. This is a particular app in which, suppose if we can't be able to visit a museum in a different place or a different country in person, we can have a virtual tour of the particular museum collections. That is the app called the Google Arts and Culture. Okay, these are the application of computers in the arts category. The next topic we are going to discuss is the 8th point, that is the science and engineering. In the science and engineering, the first point we are going to discuss about is the medical field. That is the doctors use computers to diagnose the disorders of the human body. Consider a lady of carrying a child, a pregnant lady, when visits her daughter, what does the doctor do? He asks the lady to take a particular scan, which helps to know about the child's growth depending upon the particular month. Everything is possible only with the help of computer, that too connected with some analog devices. Each and every organs or every problem can be sorted out using the computers in the medical field. And then next comes the satellites. The scientists used to predict the weather forecast, and then they can able to analyze or diagnose the earthquakes or the tsunami, whatever. So everything is possible. That is the environmental problems, everything can be assumed or analyzed using the satellite communication. And then the tools used here are AutoCAD 360. That is the app which allows to view and edit the DWG files. And then next comes the mechanical engineering one. This is the app only used by the mechanical students. that is which includes the handy reference tables, calculators, and then the converters. These are all the applications of computers in the science and engineering field. And then the next comes the ninth point comes the training, that is the computer based training. That is when consider the IT field, a particular student placed in an IT company, then the particular IT company or the organization, they provide some computer based training to the students to specifically meet the requirements for the particular position or the particular job. So these are comes under the training of, that is the organization training, that is with the application of the computer. The tools used here are learning management systems, LMS, video training tools, and then the last one, communication tools. These are all the applications of computers in the computer based training part. And the last point, that is comes under the entertainment. Entertainment means we all remember the animated TV series or a film making. Everything comes under the entertainment. Create animated series. A simple example, say for example, Little Krishna, an animated series. We all would have enjoyed watching it, and still it is moving on, or still it is running, I think. We all wondered about the special effects, some special effect films which comes under, we all get wondered or how it comes, or how does these films are made, only with the help of the graphics rendering or the visual communication tools. And then the last one, used to edit video and the audio files. Only with the help of computers these things can be possible in the entertainment field. And then the tools used here are just they have described an OTT, that is the Netflix, which is the most popular video subscription than the Amazon Prime Video and the Disney Plus apps. So these are the applications of the computers as part to part. If you find this video really useful, share this video with your friends. Make a small appreciation comment. Thank you in the comment section. Keep supporting Sai Suriyas Academy. Thank you.